Hey crafty friends, welcome to day 11 of the Craftoween Advent Box from Spellbinders. There are 13 different die sets to unveil daily, and each one comes in a nice numbered card. Today the die is a haunted house, and it also comes with a sentiment idea. I've cut the haunted house outline out of black cardstock, and I cut the house background out of a light yellow cardstock. Finally, I cut a door from brown shimmer paper. I assemble the house by adding glue to the back of the black outline piece. I carefully layer the black onto the yellow. I now have a completed haunted house with a bunch of glowing windows. I add the door next. I put glue on the back and place it in the archway on the front of the house. Now I start work on the card mat. I have a piece of black cardstock cut to A2 size. I have some bat patterned paper from Newton's Nook Designs, cut to 4 inches by 5 1/4. I also am using the Perfect Touch arches and tag set from Spellbinders in the third largest die to cut the arch. I layer the pattern paper on top of the black cardstock, and it leaves me with a nice black border around the pattern paper. Next, I add the haunted house to the arch by adding glue to the back. I line the house up in the top center of the arch. As a little finishing touch, I glue a tiny black bat on the left side of the arch beside the house. Next, I want to add the sentiment onto my arched cardstock. I'll be using the clear stamp set from this box. I chose Enter If You Dare for the sentiment. I use my MISTI to keep my paper in place while I stamp. I stamped the sentiment using black ink in the color Oreo from Tailored Expressions. I'm adding some foam tape to the back of my arch for added dimension on the card. And then I stick the arch to the center of my pattern paper. The last thing to do is attach it to the card base. I'm using pre-made white A2 size card bases that I fold in half and use my bone folder to press down the fold. I add some tape to the back of the card mat before attaching it to the card base. And that's my super quick card using the Day 11 die set from the Spellbinders Craft-O-Ween Box. I have a blog post with more information and product links, as well as some links in the description box below. And I hope to see you for day number 12. Bye!